Stacey Hawkins, and welcome back to our second night of tips, ideas, and techniques to help you get through this Thanksgiving holiday season without ever feeling like you're giving up your favorites. Last night I shared my first tip with you, and if you haven't seen it already, you can just go through the Facebook feed and by all means take a look at it, or you can sign up for the newsletter list below, because at the end of the week we're going to send out a video recap of all the tips just in case you missed one. Tonight we're going to talk about another great substitution that is so crucial for the holidays, because you know what? Everybody loves good old starchy, creamy, yummy potatoes, right? And of course, it's one of those things that on program, or even if you aren't necessarily on program, but watching your carbs and watching your starch and of course watching your sugar, you're not going to be eating a lot of white potatoes or any at all. But you may miss those great flavors, so what do? Well, did you know that in most cases, you can actually substitute good old healthy, yummy, no-carb cauliflower for your potatoes? That's right, I've got a couple of great recipes at staceyhawkins.com to help you with that. First of all, we've got creamy no potato potatoes using cauliflower. That recipe is there. I even came up with a cauliflower stuffing recipe. So if you crave the yummy goodness of stuffing with your turkey, never fear, we've got that covered for you. But cauliflower can be used in a lot of different ways. You can even go so far as to take and make the creamy potatoes and stuff them into a potato skin to make like a twice baked potato. The skin is really good for you. It's got a lot of fiber in it. There's, if you scoop most of the flesh out of the inside, there's really not going to be hardly any carbs there for you at all, or you could just feel like you're eating it and scoop it out. You can make a cauliflower au gratin. You can take cauliflower and do it in the air fryer like tater tots, if you will. You can replace potatoes in most places with simple, yummy cauliflower. A real great, easy way to be able to help you get through the holidays. If you need more recipes, I know there's a lot of great things on Pinterest to do with cauliflower as well. Of course, you can check out my website, staceyhawkins.com. And the key to making that cauliflower taste amazing, of course, is flavor. So make sure you're using good, high quality seasonings to go along with them. All right, that's tip number 2. No potatoes, cauliflower instead. If you like this and you think that other people could benefit from it, please share this video on your Facebook page or wherever, Instagram, wherever you may like. And also make sure that you're following the business page and sign up for the newsletter, because as I said, there's a lot more great ideas coming for the rest of the week this week. We've got 3 more great tips, and of course, as I said, on Saturday, we're gonna talk turkey. All the chef secrets that you need to know to make a stress-free but delicious bird. All right, I'm Stacey Hawkins. Have a great night, everybody. Bye.